how to clean the filter on Philco washing machine. This is quite older one and we're gonna clean this filter. So simply locate your filter in right down corner area and we want to grab something. I got these scissors and open this little thing. And here is your filter located. We will need some old towel. Use the old one and put it to your washing machine right after this filter cleaning. Also, just in case, unplug your washing machine from your electricity. And next we will need some paper like this, and we want to place it right under and create like something like a pipe or something. But as you can see, this one is some weird position, so I can't place it underneath this filter. So we will see, but I recommend you to do it because it will flood your bathroom. The water will go there and underneath your washing machine. I don't know if your filter place looks like this, but this plastic thing, I want to unplace it. So I'm gonna unscrew. Now I can simply grab this little plastic thing. So now after the plastic thing removal, I can put this paper to this place and the water will pour outside of that filter. So I'm not gonna flood all my bathroom. So it looks something like this and we will see if it will work in. So I'm gonna open the filter. Just do it slowly. It will also make some sounds. And after the water removal, you can pull out the filter. So it smells pretty bad. You can clean this hole and wipe it. And also we want to clean this filter. So simply do it. I think it's clean enough. Now I'm gonna wipe this area and simply put the filter back. Make sure it's not moving. Okay, it should be done. Now I'm gonna place here back this little plastic thing. I'm gonna put the towel to the washing machine. It smells pretty hard here. Finish the process and put this cover back on. So simply place it here and it should be done and the filter is cleaned. Also make sure to check the underneath of your washing machine because the water could pour off your towel and you don't want water under your washing machine. So that's how you can clean that. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.